Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you a complete review and swatches of this dip powder kit from AZUREBEAUTY, and it does include 20 powders, and then 4 liquids, which are the one that you use to stick the powder on your nail. Then you have the activator, then you have the gel top, and then the last one is the brush saver. On the back it includes the ingredients of each bottle, the contact information, how you're gonna store them, and some of the warnings that or the precaution that you need to take. The first thing that you get is a little card where they state how you can contact them or how you can share your review regarding this kit to them. Then you get a little manual where they share the information on the customer service, how you can contact them from Amazon or the personal email. Some of the warnings where they state what you should do and what you shouldn't do, so that you don't harm yourself, and then some of the things that you need to pay attention to. On the back it got the little guide where they state how you're gonna apply the dip powder on your natural and on fake nails. It includes all the steps, and the bottles that you're gonna use, such as the base or the activator, is highlighted using the red color, and it's written in capital letters, so it's easily readable and also you can easily find it. Then you get a cuticle pusher, you get a mini file, then you get a nail brush. One thing I want to highlight, this one does include some glitters, so please try to use 2 different brushes. So don't use the glitter one with the normal colors, because that one really gonna be a mess, so otherwise the glitter gonna stick on the other colors. So these are the 4 bottles that you get, and then you get these 20 different dip powder colors. All the colors are different. There are some glitters, there's some nude shade, there's some dark shade, blue, black, gray, and you also get a white shade. I'll be swatching them one by one, and basically these are dip powders, so you don't need any UV or LED lamp, so they're gonna air dry. On the little manual they also state how long does it take to dry. So basically the first thing that you need to do is to apply the base on your nail, which has the number 1 on the bottle. It's an orange color, include dip powder base. You need to be really quick because this is gonna dry really quickly, so select the color that you want, apply the base, and then just dip it into your nail or the dip powder. You need to dip it at the 45 degrees so that you can get a good coverage, and then you need to remove the excess powder. After that you need to go for another coat so that you can get full coverage. So I'm just gonna apply another coat on the nail, and then I'm just gonna dip it again in the powder, and you don't need to be quick over here. If you take long, the dip powder base gonna dry and the powder not gonna stick on it, and that's gonna look really bad. That's what happened in my first try, but you can actually get perfect after you go and try again. That's how it works for me. Then you have to apply the activator, and for activator you have to wait 60 seconds. So you're just gonna apply the activator, leave it there for a minute, and then after that you can go for the gel top. For this one they say that you need to apply 2 coats, so you're gonna apply 1 coat, then you're gonna wait for 60 seconds, then you're gonna apply the second coat, and then you're gonna wait again 60 seconds. So basically if you calculate, you're not gonna apply the base and you're gonna wait 30 seconds, then the second coat 30 seconds, so that's a minute, then the activator another minute, so it's 3 minutes. So in 4 minutes of in total 5 minutes your nail should be ready, and you should be ready to go. Because for the top coat they suggest you to go for 2 coats so that you can have that perfect glossy look, and it's gel top but it does dry without the LED UV lamp. So basically if you're a complete beginner, you don't have any access to the LED or UV lamp, you can definitely go for this dip powder kit because it's just basically air dry. So I'm just gonna swatch all the shades, and then I'm gonna skip the step of applying the activator and the second coat of the base, so that it can be really quick, so that I don't bore you. And then I'm just gonna show the final look after I apply the gel top, so that because those steps are basically the same, so I just want to show the first coat and then the last look after I applied the gel top. And one thing, the activator is very important because that's what's gonna activate the color. So basically if you don't use the activator, you don't gonna see the real color. Actually the real color is slightly different from what you see in the powder. that's why it's called activator, so that you're going to activate the color. And another thing that I want to highlight is that once you apply the activator, the powder gets wet. So if you by chance scratch it or mess it up, it's just gonna stay there. So be careful when you after you apply the activator, because the gel brush gonna get wet. So all the details of this kit will be in the description box. I will share the link of the kit and also the price of it in the description box, so that you can have access to it. And there are also some other products from AZUREBEAUTY that you can try, and this one is a really good one because you're getting all the things that you need. You're getting 20 powders, from glitters to the base colors to the nudes to the dark one, red one, all of them, and they are really easy. So you don't even need an LED lamp. So basically, if you're not a fan of gel brushes, then you can actually go for dip powders, which kind of give you the same kind of effect. In the next video I'll be sharing a nail set using dip powder, so you can actually set that with the dip powder you can create nail art as well. So if you have this kit, you can create beautiful nail art as well. So I will leave you the music in background, grab something and enjoy the video. So these are the final look of all the colors. So these are the first 5, and you can see there's a lot of difference between what you see in the powder and what you get. This is the second 5, so the second row, which means from shade 6 to shade 10. You get 3 glitters and 2 normal colors, you can say, the pink and tomato red one. These are from shade 12 to shade 16. You get the blues, the red and the grays in this one, and this is the last row, which is from shade 17 to 21, and then to 20, and then you go shade number 76. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.